are saying, they know they are working in collaboration with those who hate to see you having your freedom. They don't talk about their problem. They choose to talk about something that will drag you back and put you where you are, because the only thing that gives them joy is to see you begging for peanuts, to see you crying for the mother of the crying of your people, to see your house being set ablaze and being tortured and humiliated. This is what gives them joy. Because even you guys, you are trying to carry your shoulder, you think you are best. Who told you that you are best? You are not the best. We are here to tell you that you are not. That kind of stuff. And it continue going that way, every now and then. Now, not only people from Delta, not only them, even the Duduas, all of them have the same problem that you have, but they don't want you to get away from your own problem. But why? Because they don't have hope to actually have their own freedom. Like I said, I'm not blaming him. How can I blame him when people who are called somebody who are called Igbo are doing the same thing, even worse than what he's doing? Okay, people who say they are Biafran, they are very Igbo, they are this and that. Now hear him again, because after this I'm not gonna play it again. Listen. Just hear it. News.
From their different country, they go they deceive on they use on they touching here. Even at their prison, even at their DSS, then that's how they do another thing. Donate for this account.
Now because due to his own myopic brain, he actually believes that people that can donate in this account must be in Nigeria. And he's a civilized man. Oh. These are people talking to the public, telling them what he himself don't know. Wire transfer, right? You can go to POS and send money to that account. They're not gonna. So because he don't understand it, even if you are in Bongo and you want to send money to the account, the only person that will trace is the owner of the account. And you know how can the person will Ecuador? Are you getting me now? Somebody may go to POS. I want to donate 5,000 to this account. Please, this is the money. Send it. When they want to trace, they find out that the account that sends this money is from POS. So, what are you gonna do? They're not gonna trace you that put the money. Don't mind him. Secondly, the person that own the account know that this account is out to receive such amount, right? Ecuador. The DSS one. So, not this propagandist is that they cook up a story that will make you feel, wow, I can't bear this. So it's true that this is going on all this while. Therefore, I'm gonna kick against it. No. People who are insider working with maybe, let's say DSS, could be a very hardcore Biafran. But he's there in DSS, working and earning money, at the same time eyeing what is going on in Biafra. I know what I'm saying. And some of you know the same thing, of course. You know, but you choose not to talk. Anyway, let me leave it there. Okay, let me leave it there. We are going to move to another thing, very, very crucial. Destroying farmland. I saw that video. I don't know which states, but we are going to know it now. I have not played the video, to be honest with you. I did not review it. Let me just a few seconds video.